Hello traders, welcome back to MJ Crypto. In this last video, I'm going to actually dive deeper into TradeWill and show you how it actually works. Now, I'll show you how to easily deposit and make withdrawals, quick, smooth, and beginner-friendly guide. I'll also explore with you the web platform right here, the web platform where you can trade directly using TradingView. Now, TradingView is a tool that gives you access to technical analysis tools that can enable you predict or make forecasts concerning the market. So I'm going to show you how you can integrate TradingView on TradeWill directly here and plot all your indicators, market support and resistance, draw your structures, all in one place. Okay. I'll even place a live trade to show you the execution speed and layout. Now, this is not just another broker. TradeWill is giving you full control with real tools, real flexibility, and of course, real earning opportunities. So sign up with my link in the description of this video and attempt your first trade and see it for yourself. And don't forget there are registration rewards and cashback bonuses waiting steadily for you. Now, TradeWill gives you access to TradingView tools right inside their platform. I think that should be the very first thing that we want to unlock. So let's go over here under trading tools. You're going to see TradingView just right here. As you can see directly, it says connect. And you can see super and easy. Super and easy. You can see we already have it here integrated. So you can come here to TradingView, click on Super Chart. Click on Super Chart. And let's see what the market is actually doing. I'm currently on this trade, for example, this is SEI. I'm already on this trade, and I'm already in profit. But I'm going to actually analyze other pairs like BTC, Ethereum. I gave a prediction that Ethereum was going to hit. Let me show you my Ethereum analysis. I'll show you USDT.P. This was my analysis on Ethereum. I cut it right from here. 5 risk to reward. And my take profit is somewhere around here. But anyway, this is not an analysis video. So let's go back to TradeWill and let's see how we can unlock all the features right here. So we've actually talked about the TradingView. Now let's talk about the partnership program. There is a lot of opportunities and potential right here in the partnership program. It says become our partner. Beyond the ordinary introducing broker program, introduce our platform to your audience and double your income. So you as well as a trader can also have your own audience where you give signals and guide to your community, and you can make massive profits, massive commissions from this kind of from this kind of opportunities, right? All you have to do is just click on join us, apply to become an agent, and that's just it. All right, but we're not going to dive into that on this video. I'm just going to be showing you the basics on how you can actually be guided towards follow that route. Now, my trading account is right here. I'm going to start trading. Now, before you start trading, look at right here. You can see how we can actually make deposits safe and secured. See, this is how we make deposits. As low as $10 can actually kickstart your journey. Okay, we have different payment methods. All right, if you want to make your deposits, we have different payment methods. So I'm going to be guiding you on how you can actually do this. So you can use this account number, Paga, Blue One. It's a one-time payment system. Just make your transfers and it's going to reflect right here on your TradeWill account. Now you can link your MT5 and your MT4 all done seamlessly. All right, all done seamlessly, guys. So let's go over to the market section and see the pairs that are currently active right now. Look at gold, BTC, ETC. We have all the metals here, gold, silver, everything. Indices, US 100 actively here. We've got stocks. We've got Amazon, Tesla, NASDAQ. We've got a lot of them, guys. We've got a lot of them. We've got a lot of them. So we also have our Forex pairs, major, minor. Everything that you actually want to trade is right here. I love trading crypto a lot, so I will just come over here and give you a typical example on how to trade. This is BTC. All right, this is BTC. So basically, this is how you can take your trades, and right here I'll just show you what you need to do. So all you need to do is just come here on the market order, select your lot size, put your take profit and your stop loss, and then voila, you're actually good to go. As simple as that, guys. As simple as that. It's so simple to do. Extremely, extremely, extremely simple. All right, extremely simple. Now, let's go over to assets. And if you want to make your withdrawals, very simple. Just select where you actually want to withdraw from. Put the amount right there. Put your withdrawal. The withdrawal fee is going to be shown right there. Okay. One love, guys. This is an amazing platform. TradeWill.com is the name. Use the referral link in the description of this video and let's start making some cool bucks together. I'm going to see you in the next video. Let's go.